Hi, I'm Marcel with Guaranteed Rate, and if you're like most people, the thought of getting a mortgage is not really pleasant. And what we have to think about is, why is it so scary to get a mortgage? And the truth is that the level of education that people receive on getting a mortgage is absolutely zero. Whether you are a graduate of high school, let's say you have a master's degree, doctorate, no one really teaches people on how to get a mortgage until they're going through the process on their own. And of course, they know that there's a lot of costs involved, a lot of negotiation that can happen. And so oftentimes people are scared by the process because they have no background on that and really haven't been educated at all. So I wanted to just take a moment and kind of explain to you what we do as mortgage companies in order to help you find the best program and options. So what ends up happening, oftentimes people will go online and they'll research a specific program, whether it's FHA, VA, USDA. There's so many different loan programs out there, so people just start to research some of those options. Well, the truth is that maybe you qualify for those and maybe you don't. So the only way to really talk about specifically the programs that are going to be best for you is to know what those program options are and to actually have a mortgage loan officer pull your credit and start taking those pieces of the puzzle and matching them with different investor options. So there's lots of different investor options out there, some offering sometimes the same program, but sometimes with a little bit different guidelines. And that's one of the things that makes us unique, is that we can actually look at your pieces of the puzzle, the information, so to speak, and then we'll match that and create for you several different loan options to look at. It may end up being a lowest interest rate option. It may end up being a lowest funds to close option, or it could end up being an option for a specialty program. There's tons of grant programs out there, specialty programs. Some are going to be vocational, so there's specialty programs for police officers, firefighters, teachers, engineers, physicians, lots of different program options out there. Also, some may be employer based, and so depending on who your employer is, you may actually have discounts going through that route. So what we do is we actually guide you through gathering the pieces of the puzzle up front and then show you all of the different options. Now keep in mind, making a secure online application is cost free. There's not an application fee, consultation fee, or anything that's involved in that. So if you do have questions on how to get started with getting your first home mortgage, I'd be more than happy to be a resource for you. Just give me a call. Best number to reach me is 972-672-3246. I'm Marcel with Guaranteed Rate, and hope to talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.